Hi, this video is a part of Data Visualization with Python playlist. In this video, I'll explain regression plot using Seaborn. This notebook contains different types of visualization, but we are interested in regression plot using Seaborn in this video. So first of all, we will load the data set. This data set contains this data frame basically contains the data for different countries, from which there is an immigration to Canada from 1980 to 2013. So for each year, there are different number of immigrations for each country from 1980 to 2013. So this is what is stored basically in this whole data frame. This is what we are interested in. Okay, in scatterplot, now the question is that we want to find out the total number of immigrants to Canada per year from 1980 to 2013, and using that data we want to find out the trend, whether the number of immigrations are increasing or decreasing, and what is the trend. So how do we do that? First of all, we'll use this scatter plot, and we'll fit this line. We can manually find out this fitted line, the best fitted line, and then draw above that. But this Seaborn is giving us this cool regression visualization, so why not to use that? But before that, we want to process the data accordingly. How do we do that? We will begin by converting the type of columns to string by using this map functionality of Python, and then we'll be converting it to list. And then what we'll be doing is this years will be extracted out by making the list of values from 1980 to 2013, and we'll be also mapping it to string. So all of these values will not be integers, instead they will be string. Okay, then using this list years, we will extract out all of the data from these columns, and we'll sum them along zero axis. So in this way we will find out the total number of immigrants per year, okay, for each year. Okay, then what we'll do is we'll convert the year type to float instead of string, because float is what is useful for regression purpose. Then we will reset the index, and then we'll rename the columns to be year and total, and this is how the final data frame will look like. We are having years. For each year we have the total number of immigrants to Canada. Now we want to visualize it. The first step is to plot the figure. This PLT is actually matplotlib.pyplot, which we have imported as PLT. This is just a name, but this represents matplotlib.pyplot. This function of figure will create the base figure of size 12,4. Then we have also imported this Seaborn library with the name of SNS. So this is like import Seaborn as SNS. Then this font scale for all of the functions below, for adding the titles and X labels and Y labels and all the writings that we will be doing on this figure will be having this font scale of 1.5. So we are setting this font scale in advance. Then what we are going to do is we are going to do this regression plotting using this Seaborn library. So this regplot is a function of SNS, and this regplot will be having input parameters. This function will be having input parameters of X and Y, where X is the name of the column that of the data frame that we want on the X-axis for this scatter plot. So the data frame is df underscore total. So this is what we are having here. This is the data frame, and this data frame contains these two different columns. So the year should be on the x-axis and total should be on the y-axis. For that reason, this is the name of the column that we want on the x-axis and the name of the column we want on the y-axis, and this is the data frame that we want, and this is the color for the scatter points, and this is the marker, and we are using this plus marker. We could use different marker, and then these are scatter keyword arguments. So this is we could use different keyword argument. One of it is size. So how much bigger of these plus points should be? The size is here 200. We could change it to 100 or 500 depending on what we want. Then when we do this, we return whatever is returned from this function is stored in this X. So this X is actually taking a control back. Then using this X, what we will be doing is that we will set the X label and the Y label for this scatter plot, for this regression plot basically. So we plotted the figure of specific size, then we set the font scale for Seaborn plotting, then we did the regression plot using data frame and its respective columns, and the control is given back to the X, and this X is a variable that is having control for this figure manipulation. Then we set the X label and Y label for this figure, and then we also set the title for this figure. So there are different ways to do visualization. In Matplotlib, we have already seen this plot dot in the scatter plot. We have already seen this plot dot title, plot dot x level, and plot dot y level. In different videos, I explain different ways of doing all these tasks. So once you complete this whole playlist, it will be much easier for you to know different ways of including information in different areas of plotting.